Hello, everyone. My name is Dina Ceron, and my question is: what are your favorite party games or board games? Remember those afternoons when the family gathers around is very excited. Brings me a lot of enjoying science. It is one of my favorite board games. That's why one of my favorite board games it is the variety of cards that exist as they are. Cards 1, where the player who runs out of cards. It is a winner. It is played with colors and numbers. What the most existing is thing is when the players start to fill up with cards. Important cards to have a good score in the end. Or one the others handed are poker cards. And it is that these cards have different ways of bring players. It is too exciting to play team, and if they are playing between games, it is much better. It is also very fun to play chess, Monopoly, and parts. Since it is not only to play to get a board, but also to develop what other types of abilities to feel choose different emotions where very many feelings are expressed on the song time and time identity. Rules for waiting to win and thinking about the beats. Once player the beats Star Wars games can host. Thank you very much.